In this video, I'll show you how to create a link in WhatsApp. So if you want to create a link where you click on it and it takes you over to a conversation in WhatsApp, then unfortunately there is no way to actually do this in the WhatsApp application, but there is kind of a workaround that we can use to achieve this. So what we need to do is just close out of the WhatsApp application and head over to the Notes app on your phone. So once you're inside of your notes, you need to type in the following: http:// followed by a /wa.me and then another /. So this is the shortcut link here that will take you to a WhatsApp conversation. And now all you need to do at the end here is type in your phone number. Now, if you're using a global number, make sure to use the international code as well. And we want to type this out without any symbols, so no plus symbols, no minus symbols or anything like that. Just the digits as they present themselves. So because I'm based here in the UK, I'm going to type in 447 and then type in my phone number. And once you've entered your number like so, just click on the done in the top right hand side. So once you've finished, that's going to go ahead and turn it into a link. So now if I just click on this link like so, it's going to take me directly to the WhatsApp conversation. So you can basically now share this link with your friends and family, and that's going to go ahead and send them over to this WhatsApp chat. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.